There are 5 variations of the ketogenic diet which have been published in medical literature as effective treatments for diseases such as epilepsy, other neurological disorders, and certain cancers. The classic ketogenic diet, modified ketogenic diet, MCT oil diet, low glycemic index treatment, and modified Atkins. The original ketogenic diet, referred to as the classic ketogenic diet, was designed in 1923 by Dr. Russell Wilder at the Mayo Clinic for the treatment of epilepsy. All ketogenic diets are a variation of the classic ketogenic diet. They are described by the ratio of fat to protein and carbohydrate. This is called the macronutrient ratio. The classic ketogenic diet carries a 4-to-1 ratio, which means that there are 4 grams of fat for every 1 gram of protein and carbohydrate combined. The main difference between the 5 types of ketogenic diets is this macronutrient ratio. Fat is higher in calories than protein and carbohydrate. Fat has 9 calories per gram, while both protein and carbohydrate have just 4 calories per gram. In a 4-to-1 classic ketogenic diet, 90% of calories come from fat, while the remaining 10% come from protein and carbohydrate. Ketogenic therapy includes more than just diet. Nutritional supplements, electrolytes, hydration, activity level, and possibly fasting are also key to attaining therapeutic levels of ketosis and good nutrition. If you are considering the ketogenic diet for medical purposes, consult your healthcare professional or visit our resource section to locate a ketogenic nutrition specialist or hospital near you.